Okay, and welcome back. In the next couple of minutes I'm going to show you the next bit of video, which is how to actually use the code that you've got and put it into your website and start getting some benefits from it. So when you've registered, you're going to see you're going to be taken to a page that looks exactly like this. It'll have your unique code for your company name and it'll have this piece of code. Now this might look a little bit daunting at the moment, but it's really straightforward. What I'm going to do is show you how to put this into a blank web page, into an existing web page, and how to publish it to your site. So can I just ask you once again just to go back to your email. If you haven't done so already, you'll have had an email that looks something like this, that says, "Dear, please can you complete your details so we can pass it." Just click on that link, straightforward, all done and dusted. So if I go back there again, I apologise because I'm flicking through screens. What we're going to do first and foremost is we're going to copy that code. So we highlight it all, Apple C on a Mac or Control C on a PC. That's all you need to do with the piece of code. You might, if you've got someone who's developing a website for you, you can just copy that, paste it into an email, send it to them, and they'll know what to do with it. So if you've got a web designer, webmaster, copy this code, send it to them. They'll drop it in. I'll show you how straightforward and simple this is. I've literally this morning just picked up I'm just going to close that. I said I've literally this morning just picked up a free bit of software. Now I've never used this software before. I've spent probably about 2 minutes on it just looking at it, so this is how complicated it is. So I'm going to go first of all, file, I'll create a new document. Now websites are made up of what's called code. That's usually HTML or ASP or something of that nature. But essentially, this is how the internet is created. So we're going to create a page which is going to be called, first of all, how to design your door with us. Give it a page title. I want to just literally decide where I need it to be. It's going to be within the body tag, so the body opening tag and the body closing tag. I'm going to go in there and I'm going to drop the iframe. What happens is on the right, as you'll see here, my screen split, so I'll just move it over a little bit so you can see a bit better, but the visualizer automatically pops in. It's that straightforward. I'll move these out of the way a second. So what I'm going to do now is go File, Save As, Desktop. I'm going to save this now as the HTML page, so it's going to be called how to design .html. I will save that to my desktop. And that's as straightforward as it is. All I've done here is exactly the same. I spent 2 minutes creating a really basic web page. Now your website is obviously not going to look like this, but it'll have some navigation on it, it'll have a title, it'll have some sections. Now I might want the iframe to sit in a specific position within the page. In this case I really want it to be near this Fushi anti-sapien. Don't know what that means, but that's where I want to sit. I want it to sit just under here. So all I'm going to do is I go across to this side and I'll leave it kind of in, and as I say, what happens is I can see where it sits in the tags. Don't worry too much about coding. If you know about coding, this will look very straightforward. If you don't, again, leave it to your webmaster. So I've got the Fushi anti-sapien there. All I'm going to do is put a return in there. I'm just going to do a simple paste. Bang! As you can see, it's appearing in here. I'll show you that. Again, file, save as. I'm going to set this one again to how to version 2. There we go. I'm going to save that. Again, that's as complicated as it is. You know, if you're not looking after your own website, don't worry about it. Give it to your web designer. They'll be able to do it. It's really straightforward. So again, I'm going to go to my FTP client. This is what we use to actually put it onto the live. So I've got two files here. You can see at the top. how to version 2, and how to design. All I'm going to do now is select those two. I'm actually going to put those onto the web server. So those two are there now. As if by magic, I'm going to go into Google Chrome. I'm going to go to theconsultancy.co.uk. I'm going to go to the file one, which is how to design.html. If I've done it right, there we go, there's the page. That was what the one we created. You can start playing with your visualizer, and we do the same again. And this one was called theconsultancy.co.uk / how to version 2.html. Again, I've just realised I haven't put all the actual styling with it. Because I was only doing a demo, there's some styling that goes with that site that pulls all the design together. But realistically, if you've got your own website, you just take one page, put it in, and that will appear, and it's as straightforward as that. If you've got any questions, queries, speak to your web designer, or alternatively contact us. And again, it's as straightforward as that. Literally, you're talking about 2 minutes to implement your software in your site, and wishing you good luck. As I said, we're going to be sending some more videos out in the next week or so, with a few more tips and tricks and how to actually get more from it. So I've been Ian Richardson at the Consultancy. I'd like to thank you once again for downloading the software, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.